Imagine you have two sets of twins, two twin brothers and two twin sisters. Each of them gets married to the other twin and they each have one kid. Let's say they are boys. Could those cousins be identical twins? It seems like the answer would be yes. Two parents that look exactly the same would have kids who look exactly the same, right? Well, it's a little more complicated than that. For starters, they wouldn't technically be identical twins. Identical twins are born after eggs split in two, resulting in two children. This means they'd have to come from the same mother, which isn't the case here. Another piece of evidence to support this is genetics. Each person has their own set of genes known as genotype. These genes are inherited from that person's parents. Alleles in genes determine certain traits about someone, from brown hair to blue eyes.
All of these physical and observable traits are known as a person's phenotype. There are two types of alleles, dominant and recessive. Each person has two alleles for each trait. These alleles can be a combination of dominant or recessive. So from this we can gather that cousins couldn't be twins, at least not with the different combinations the parents have. But if we were able to modify the parents' alleles to be all dominant, there would be no room for variation. We can again use our Punnett squares to show this. Let's take blue eyes for example. Say the parents have the blue eye allele, but not enough for it to affect all children. If we could modify this so we give each parent two recessive alleles, therefore leaving no room for change. So, would you have a clone army? Well, not entirely, but the parents would have very identical children.